This will be 4 minutes at 240 Q&A. Ready? Question. Did your physical therapy change after the results from any of the diagnostic tests came back?
I don't recall.
While you were treating at Physical Therapy Associates, did you have any medical attention elsewhere other than diagnostic testing?
There was a neurologist that I saw. I don't recall his name.
How many times did you see this neurologist?
Approximately 3 to 4 times.
When is the last time you saw the neurologist?
I don't recall.
Have you seen a neurologist in the last year, 2011?
No.
Did you see a neurologist after October of 2010?
I don't recall.
What, if anything, did this neurologist do to you or for you?
I received injections.
What part or parts of your body received injections?
The lower neck.
How many times did you have the procedure performed?
I don't recall.
Was it more than once?
Yes.
More than 3 times?
I don't recall.
Other than the injections to your lower neck, did you have injections to any other part of your body?
By the neurologist?
Yes.
I don't recall.
Did that neurologist do anything other than administer the injections to your lower neck?
Yes.
What else did the neurologist do?
I don't recall.
Do you have any idea of what that neurologist did?
I believe he gave me injections in my lower back also.
Did that neurologist do anything for either of your shoulders?
I don't recall.
Other than that neurologist, did you see any of the doctors while you were treating at Physical Therapy Associates?
I don't recall.
When is the last time you saw Dr. Lopez?
Last year.
When last year?
I don't know the exact date.
Give me the season.
I don't recall.
Do you recall if it was cold, still hot in the summer, something else?
No, I don't.
Do you know how many times in total you saw Dr. Lopez?
No.
Did you see Dr. Lopez more than 10 times?
No.
Other than suggesting physical therapy, did Dr. Lopez do anything else for you?
I don't recall.
Did Dr. Lopez suggest any surgical procedures?
No.
Did Dr. Lopez prescribe any medical devices such as crutches, canes, slings, or braces?
A sling, but I already had that.
Did Dr. Lopez prescribe any medications?
Yes.
What did Dr. Lopez
I
prescribe?
don't recall.
Were those the same medications that we discussed before that you had filled out at CVS?
Yes.
Did Dr. Lopez review any of the diagnostic tests other than the x-rays that were done at the hospital?
No.
While you were still treating at Physical Therapy Associates, did you see anybody other than Dr. Lopez and the neurologist?
Yes.
Was the chiropractor affiliated with Physical Therapy Associates?
Yes.
I'm talking about outside of Physical Therapy Associates. Did you seek medical attention from persons other than Dr. Lopez and the neurologist?
I don't recall.
Why did you stop going to the Physical Therapy Associates?
I already answered that.
I'm going to ask it again. Why did you stop going to Physical Therapy Associates?
I did not stop going because of not liking the doctor. I stopped going because the turnover rate for the employees was too frequent. Every time that they would get someone who was working with me, I felt I was doing a good job. That person would leave and someone else would come. Nothing was consistent, so it was not professional. I believed it was time for me to end our relationship.
Did you seek physical therapy from another place?
Yes.
Where was that?
Certified physical therapy.
Where is that located?
In Glen Head.
How did you come to learn of that location?
From another doctor.
What's the doctor's name?
Dr. Larry Clark.
Did you see Dr. Clark in connection with this accident?
Yes.
When is the first time you saw Dr. Clark?
Approximately 3 months ago.
When did you first go to Certified Physical Therapy?
I don't recall.
Did you go to Certified Physical Therapy at all in 2010?
I don't believe so.
Did you go to Certified Physical Therapy at all before you saw Dr. Clark about 3 months ago?
I don't recall.
How did you come to learn of Dr. Clark?
A friend.
What's your friend's name?
Joan.
What's Joan's last name?
White.
Was she affiliated with Dr. Clark in any manner? Did she work with him or something else?
She just works with him at the hospital as a physical therapist.
Is Miss White employed at Glen Cove Hospital?
Yes.
From the date that you stopped going to Physical Therapy Associates up until you saw Dr. Clark, did you see any other medical professionals in connection with this accident?
I don't recall.
Do you recall how much time passed from when you stopped going to Physical Therapy Associates until you first saw Dr. Clark?
No, I don't recall.
Do you know if there were more than 2 months passed when you last went to Physical Therapy Associates until you saw Dr. Clark?
I don't recall.
How many times in total have you seen Dr. Clark?
Once.
Do you have any current appointments to see him again?
No.
Do you have any intention of seeing him again?
No.
What type of doctor is he? Does he have a specialty?
I believe he does, but I can't recall right now.
When you went to Dr. Clark, what complaints, if any, did you make?
My shoulders, my knee, my neck, and my arm.
Which arm?
The left arm.
Which knee?
The right knee.
Did you see Dr. Clark before or after you went to Glen Cove Hospital on January 5th, 2011?
After.
Is Dr. Clark affiliated with the hospital at all?
Yes.
Is there a reason why you have not seen him again?
No.
Did you start physical therapy at Certified Physical Therapy?
Yes.
When did that begin, the therapy sessions?
I can't recall.
Was it more than a month ago?
I can't recall.
Was it more than 2 months
I
ago?
can't recall.
Did you start your physical therapy sessions at Certified Physical Therapy more than 3 months ago?
I can't recall.
How many times in total have you gone to Certified Physical Therapy?
I can't recall.
Have you gone to Certified Physical Therapy more than 5 times?
Yes.
Have you gone to Certified Physical Therapy more than 10 times?
Yes.
Have you gone to Certified Physical Therapy more than 15 times?
I can't recall.
When is the last time you went to Certified Physical Therapy?
I don't recall.
Did you go to Certified Physical Therapy last month?
I can't recall.
Do you have any current appointments to go back to Certified Physical Therapy?
No.
Okay, that was 4.5 at 2:40.